Hi, my name's Ottilie. I'm studying the MSc in International Health. I'm going to talk to you about our trip to Geneva. I couldn't recommend it enough. I had the best time. I met some amazing people. It really helped establish what I want to do in the future. So day one, we got the coach nice and early to Manchester Airport. We flew straight to Geneva. We got to Geneva, we just had the day to kind of accustomise, get used to it, go into the city. We stayed at the John Knox International Centre. For day one, we stayed at the centre and we had WHO come and talk to us. We have just had a talk from WHO discussing generally about the organisation. Later today we have emergencies, sexual and reproductive health and other talks. It's a really, really interesting day. All sorts of different talks, they were really, really good. We also got all their emails and lots of information from them. Wednesday, we went to Gavi. We are here at Gavi. We got to talk to the people at Gavi about what was going on, ask some questions. A lot of the people who we spoke to were actually graduates from Leeds, so that was really, really good and really interesting. We then headed to the Red Cross, Red Crescent. Beautiful office, really nice and high up, and they really delved into and were really good at explaining what they did and how they did it. And then afterwards we went down to WHO and got to go into the bookshop and see the building. So on the Thursday, I went to a talk which was given by the Prevention of Torture. This was an optional talk and she was so interesting. Definitely recommend going there if you get the chance. Then on the Friday, we had 3 different options of what we were going to do. In the morning, everyone went to the Labour Organisation.
So here we are at the United Nations. You can see the chair in the background. It has 3 legs and 1 broken one to represent landmines.
We then went for a guided tour of the Red Cross Museum. So you got to know the history of the Red Cross and it's a public space so anybody can go in there. We also went to the humanitarian negotiations and the humanitarian negotiations were really interesting. It was all about how to interact and how to kind of negotiate between groups. The lady who spoke to us, she negotiated between the Taliban and the US at some points, all sorts of different things. Really, really interesting. There was plenty of free time to explore the city and to go and do what you want. We had a great time. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. I would grab it with both hands if you get the chance. I personally did it as the professional development rather than a module. 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend doing the trip. It was really, really great.